Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to download new dynamic lock screen categories. Simply go to settings, tap on wallpaper and style. Tap on change wallpaper. If you scroll down here, you can see the option dynamic lock screen. Okay, first of all, you need to search for the available categories. So here you can see some categories I need to download. New categories are available. Okay, first of all, we need to select our category and download this category. And we can easily apply this one. Now you can see the animals category I am downloading. After download, select this one. It will directly apply to your lock screen. Yeah, you can see wallpaper is applied to lock screen. You can see. So Samsung offers categories such as nature, animals, landscape and art. So simply in this way, we can download the new dynamic lock screen categories. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.